hope you're having a great day. So today it's snowy and cold out here, but we're on our walk and I wanted to just jump on. It's going to be a short update. It's just that time of year. I have been bottom watering my Lisianthus every other day, and then if it looks dry, I might miss it the day in between. I have fans pointed at all the trays and I'm still trying to keep it at about 70 degrees. So still taking care of my Lisianthus, but not enough time yet to start anything else. So I just wanted to jump on. I'll give you a shot of some of the trays and some of the seedlings. I might be fertilizing them soon. I'm gonna look for some new true leaves today. If those have popped, I might give it a little bit of fertilizer. I see some true leaves starting to form. There's two going up and down that way. Those are my true leaves popping out. Bolero brush is looking really good. It's got a lot of germination. The crown azure. Quite a few Lisianthus. But other than that, just taking care of my lizzies and my eucalyptus. It's a really pretty day though. I'll give you a few shots. So anyway, that's my update for the day. The land is covered in snow, and my lizzies and my eucalyptus are snuggled in my basement. I hope everybody is having a fantastic week, and I hope to see you in the next one.